Hello, good day. I am Monica Gigatala from BS EdTV. In this video, I will show you how to solve system of linear equation with three equations using the CRAMER'S rule. Okay, now we can take the value of x by taking d sub x over d and y is equal to d sub y over d. And the value of z is equal to d sub z over d. So what are these d sub x, d sub y, and d sub d and d? These are the determinants. So for example, we have here the equation negative x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 7, x minus 2y plus z is equal to negative 11, 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 6. First, we will get first the determinant. So we will make here a matrix negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1, negative 4, 1, 3. Okay, now to get the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, we will use the basket method since for me it is the easiest way in getting the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So this is simply copying this matrix, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1, negative 4, 1, 3, and copy the first two columns, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1. We'll just simply make a basket here out of this matrix. So we will multiply negative 1 times negative 2 times 3 is equal to equal to 6 plus 3 times 1 times 2 is 6 plus negative 4 times 1 times 1 is negative 4 minus negative 4 times negative 2 times 2 is 16 times 1 times negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 and 3 times 1 times 3 is positive 9. So this is 6 plus 6 plus negative 4 is 8 minus 16 minus 1 plus 9 is 24. So our determinant is negative 16. Our d is negative 16. Now, to get the d sub x, we will just simply replace the coefficient of x with the constants. So this will become now 7, negative 11, 6, 3, negative 2, 1, negative 4, 1, 3. The same method, we will use the basket method to get the d sub x. So this will become now 7, negative 11, 6, 3, negative 2, 1, negative 4, 1, 3. Copy the first two columns, 7, negative 11, 6, 3, negative 2, 3. So, 7 times negative 2 times 3 is negative 42 plus 3 times 1 times 6 is 18 plus negative 4 times negative 11 times 3 is 44 minus negative 4 times negative 2 times 6 is 48 plus 7 times 1 times 1 is 7 plus negative 11 times 3 times 3 is negative 99. So this is negative 42 plus 18 plus 44 is 20 minus 48 plus 7 minus 99 is negative 44. So our d sub x is 20 minus negative 44 is 64. So our d sub x is 64. Now let's proceed in getting the d sub y. We will just simply replace the coefficient of y to constant. This will become now negative x. This will become now negative 1, 1, 2, 7, negative 11, 6, negative 4, 1, 3. Same process, we will just copy this 3 by 3 matrix, negative 1, 1, 2, 7, negative 11, 6, negative 4, 1, 3. Copy the first two columns, 1, 1, 2, 7, negative 11, 6. So, negative 1 times negative 11 times 3 is 33 plus 7 times 1 times 2 is 14 plus negative 4 times 1 times 6 is negative 24 minus negative 44 times 11 times 2 is 88 plus negative 1 times 6 is negative 6 plus 7 times 1 times 3 is 21. So this is 33 plus 14 minus 24 is 23 minus 88 plus negative 6 plus 21 is 103. And our d sub y is equal to negative 80. Yes. Let's proceed in getting the d sub z. So we will simply replace the coefficient of z to constant. So this will become now negative 1, 1, 2, 7, 3, negative 2, 1, 7, negative 11, 6. And then getting the determinant, same process. We'll copy this. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1, 7, negative 11, 6. Copy the first two columns. 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1. And next is 3 times negative 11 times 2 is equal to negative 66 plus 7 times 1 times 1 is 7 minus 7 times negative 2 times 2 is negative 28 plus negative 1 times negative 11 times 1 is 11 plus 3 times 1 times 6 is 18. So 12 plus negative 66 plus 7 is equal to negative 47 minus negative 28 plus 11 plus 18 is equal to negative 1. So negative 47 minus 1 is negative 48. So our d sub z is negative 48. Now let's find the value of x. Our x is equal to d sub x over d. So our d sub x is 64 and our d is negative 16. Negative 16. So 64 divided by negative 16 is negative 4. So our x is negative 4. Let's proceed and find the value of y. So y is equal to d sub y over d. Our d sub y is negative 80. And our d is negative 16. Negative 80 over negative 16 is equal to 5. So our y is 5. And let's proceed and find the value of z. So our z is equal to d sub z over d is equal to, our d sub z is negative 48 over the d is negative 16. So our d is 3. So let us check if these are the correct values by substituting it to the equation, the three equations. Just one, we can use any of this equation. So let's try equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x minus 2y plus z is equal to negative 11. So our x is 4 minus 2, our y is 5 plus our z is 3. So 4 minus 10 plus 3 equal to negative 11. This is negative 6. Oh, sorry. The value of our x is negative 4. So negative 4 minus 10 is negative 14 plus 3 is equal to negative 11. Negative 14 plus 3 is negative 11 is equal to negative 11. So therefore, these are correct. So the value of our x is negative 4. The value of our y is 5. The value of z is 3. So that is how we use the Cramer's rule in solving system of linear equation with 3 equations. Thank you so much.